We love our customers and work incredibly hard to make them happy, so when they love us back by giving us a glowing review online, we just have to share what they're saying. Great reviews like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of customer satisfaction possible. Making our customers happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on customer satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away a very satisfied customer. Call the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.